Good morning everyone, welcome to Deca Homes in Davao City, Phase 1. As you can see with these houses, there's about 9 houses getting built, 10 houses. They're getting some of the support for the roof ready. Some of the material got delivered yesterday. The cement managed to survive overnight with the rain. There's a few internal doors over there and a couple of workers inside preparing a few other things. As you can see on the left, there's a house on the left. Well, that's going to have probably about 140 square meters at the side because there's a house already done there. And behind these houses there's a creek which will be blocked off with a wall. And as you can see, this guy here, he's welding a few bits together for the support for the roof. They're actually keen to get these houses ready for the carpenters. When these houses are actually finished, they'll probably get sold quite fast. So if you're interested in one of these houses, then you need to contact an agent, or you can leave a comment in the box below, and I'll try and find an agent to get in touch with you. At the moment, we're getting some material prepared for our store. And as you can see, this is our store getting prepared with the garden. So let's have a look at the store now. So this will be the entrance for us. And it'll be divided into 2. Now this side here on the left will have a steel table. Just over here there'll be a sink for us. Then we'll have all the stock, a freezer for the ice cream, a freezer for the food, and a chiller drink fridge. Just above here we'll have some signs for the food menu. This window here, there'll be a little hatch for the takeaway food, another hatch for the groceries. This window will be a slide window. We'll have a generator here, and then we'll have another little room going down this way with a CR. Along the back of the house, we're planning on putting an extension to the kitchen, all covered with a roof. Just on the front here we'll have a canopy above the store, and all this part here will all be gated off, and we'll open it in the daytime. So we've still got quite a bit of work to do on our house and on our store. Just on the left and the right of the window here, we'll have a couple of signs. So on this side here, we'll have the food menu, and on the left we'll have special offers on there. We got the security cameras that we're going to get fitted from Australia Swan security cameras. So they're actually good quality nighttime fishing cameras. And this house across the road here, 141 square meters, is up for the soon. The owner, she's put the canopy over the carport, the extension to the kitchen, a canopy over the front door area. I'm not sure, but I have heard that someone's moving in there in a few weeks, so I don't know if that's still for assume or not. But we're planning on getting some material this week and starting the rest of the work, because as you can see, we need to get the ceiling finished, some more plaster and some more cement delivered, and then we'll get the windows fitted. So that's it for Deca Homes in Davao City for today. Keep smiling everyone, and I'll give you another update soon. Bye.